Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are happy and healthy. Students, in my last video, I had explained and written exercise 2 and 3 of Unit 17, present and past continuous tense of your English grammar book. And I'm sure all of you must have completed both the exercise neatly in your grammar book. Now children, today I'm going to start with the past continuous tense. So all of you, please take out your English grammar book and turn to page number 80. Children, please take out your English grammar book, turn to page number 80, Unit 17, present and past continuous tense. Now children, today I'm going to explain about past continuous tense. अभी आपने प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में बच्चों सीखा था कि प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से हम इज, एम, आर और इन फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब यूज करते हैं. अब पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस में हमारा जो फॉर्मूला है वो सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से बच्चों वॉज ऑब्लिक वर्ब प्लस द इन फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब. ये पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस का फॉर्मूला है. सब्जेक्ट अगर सिंगुलर हो तो वॉज प्लस इन फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब और सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल हो तो वर्ब प्लस इन फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ वी यूज द पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस टू एक्सप्रेस an action that was going on at some point of time in the past. कोई एक्शन जो पास्ट में चल रहा था उसको एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज करते हैं. नाउ लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल गिवन ऑन पेज 80. I was standing at the bus stop. Many college students were also standing there. We were waiting for the buses. An ice cream vendor was approaching us. Some kids were buying ice creams. Now, all these sentences expresses past continuous tense. As per the subject, हमने was या were plus the in form of verb use किया है. Examples, more examples children. Boys were climbing trees. Subject boys है तो were plus in form of climb. I was watching them. I है subject तो was plus the in form of watch. We use was, were and in form of verb to form sentences in past continuous tense. Examples, I was reading a book when you came. Dancers were performing on the stage when the fire occurred. Fine? So, now let's start with our exercise 4, which is based on past continuous tense. And exercise 4 this. Fill in the blanks with the past continuous tense form of the given word. Now the first one. अब जो वर्ब दिया है उसका हमें पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस फॉर्म फिल करना है इन द ब्लैंक. डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द सब्जेक्ट हम वॉज या वर्ड लगाएंगे एंड द इन फॉर्म ऑफ द गिवन वर्ब. द फर्स्ट वन, they dash when the thief entered their house. and in the bracket it is written sleep. The word bracket में sleep. Subject day है, day के साथ हम word use करेंगे and sleep का ing form is sleeping. So they were sleeping when the thief entered their house. Second, Anjana dash when the bell rang. And the verb given in the bracket is write. Write के last में e है, so we'll remove the e and add ing. अंजना subject है, तो अंजना के साथ हम was helping verb use करेंगे. So Anjana was writing when the bell rang. Now the third one. We dash money to build a hospital in our village, and the verb given in the bracket is collect. So subject we है, we with we will use the helping word were and collect coming from collecting. So we were collecting money to build a hospital in our village. Now the fourth one. You dash the balloons when the teacher saw you. And in the bracket it is written the word burst. With you, we always use the helping verb were. So you were bursting the balloons when the teacher saw you. Now look at page number 81, the fifth one. Tom dash the fence when his friends came. And in the bracket it is written white wash. Whitewash करना मतलब paint करना. So Tom subject है. So Tom के साथ helping verb past tense में was and whitewash का white washing. So Tom was whitewashing the fence when his friends came. Then the sixth one. I dash the paintings at the exhibition. And in the bracket it is written admire. Now I के साथ we always use with I in past tense the helping verb was. The spelling of admire has got E at the end, so we remove the E and add ing. So our sentence will be, I was admiring the paintings at the exhibition. Okay, now the seventh one. Mary dash the floor while John dash the window panes, and in the bracket it is written sweep and wipe. So Mary subject singular है, so we'll write Mary was sweeping. Sweeping मतलब झाड़ू लगाना. Sweeping the floor while John was wiping. Remove the E and add ing. जो खिड़कियों के शीशे साफ करना है उसको विंडो पेन्स खिड़कियों के शीशों को बोलते हैं, एंड वाइप करना मीन्स पोंछ के साफ करना. क्लियर? So I hope all of you have done these 7 fill in the blanks. So now I'm going to erase them and write the 8th one. Okay. Now the 8th one is she dash warm clothes among the poor, and in the bracket the word given is distribute. Distribute करना, बांटना. She के साथ we'll use the helping verb was. Distribute का हो जाएगा distributing. So she was distributing warm clothes among the poor. Then the 9th one. The maid मतलब नौकरानी, dash the room when the guest arrived. And in the bracket it is written decorate. The verb is decorate. So maid subject है, singular subject, तो maid के साथ was, decorate ing form decorating, removing the E and adding ing. So the maid was decorating the room when the guest arrived. Now the 10th one. People dash the flute recital when the chief guest came. And in the bracket the verb given is enjoy. People subject plural hai, that means we will use the helping verb were. So people were enjoying the flute recital when the chief guest came. So in past continuous tense, what do you need to keep in mind? As per the subject, you will use the helping verb was or were and the ing form of the word. If your subject is singular, he, she, it, will use was plus the ing form of verb. And if your subject is plural, They, we, you will use are. Sorry, you will use were and the ing form of the word. So with this, we have completed our fourth exercise. And now I'm going to erase it and start with exercise 5. Okay. Now exercise 5 is change into past continuous tense. Now, what do we need to do in this exercise बच्चों? जैसे हमने present continuous tense को change किया था sentences में, अभी उसी तरह करना है. सबसे पहले identify and underline the word because it is the word which changes its form. So पहले word को identify करेंगे and subject के हिसाब से was या were लगाएंगे and जो verb है उसमें ing लगा देंगे. Clear? Now let's start. Armed robbers. आर्म्ड रॉबर्स का मतलब क्या होता है? रॉबर्स का मतलब तो चोर डकैत होता है ना. और आर्म्ड मतलब वो हथियारों के साथ, जो हथियारों के साथ चोर आए उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? आर्म्ड रॉबर्स. सो आर्म्ड रॉबर्स raided the bank. क्लियर? अब इसमें वर्ब क्या है? रेडेड. क्लियर? सबसे पहले हम वर्ब को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ठीक है. अब ये रूट फॉर्म में ईडी लगा हुआ है, पास्ट टेंस में है. अब हमें इसको पहले रूट फॉर्म में लाना होगा और फिर उसमें आईएनजी ऐड करना होगा. तो हमारा सेंटेंस क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों? आर्म्ड रॉबर्स वर, क्योंकि रॉबर्स, आर्म्ड रॉबर्स प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है तो हमने वर यूज किया. रेडेड का रूट फॉर्म रेड है और उसमें आईएनजी लगा दिया. सो आर्म्ड रॉबर्स वर रेडिंग द बैंक. हथियारबंद चोर बैंक को लूट रहे थे. रेड करना, लूटना. नाउ द सेकेंड वन, they shifted from Delhi. Okay. सबसे पहले क्या करना है? We need to identify and underline the word. Verb क्या है? Shifted. Shifted का रूट फॉर्म क्या है? Shift. Shift में ing लगाएंगे. They सब्जेक्ट है, they के साथ we will use were. So they were shifted का रूट फॉर्म shift, उसमें ing. They were shifting from Delhi. Yeah. Now the third one. I am watching a documentary. ओके. अब यहाँ पे am watching प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में, बस इसमें watching का तो ऑलरेडी इनफॉर्म है. हमको am की जगह क्या करना है? सब्जेक्ट के हिसाब से was या were लगाना है. तो I के साथ हम हमेशा was यूज करते हैं. सो विल राइट I was watching a documentary. Fine. So I was watching a documentary. So with this, children, I end today's video. And you just need to keep in mind that in past continuous tense, what do we need to do? We need to learn the formula. As per the subject, we'll use the helping verb was or were and the ing form of the verb. So that's all for today. I'll be continuing the remaining exercise in my next video. Till then, all of you, learn and revise the taught exercises. Thank you, children. Have a good day ahead.